Hi guys, korang plan nak beli your first home but not sure macam mana? This video is for you. But before korang fikir nak buat idea for renovation lah, house tour lah, you need to understand first how home loan works. But no worries, sis akan share step by step. Okay, there are a few types of home loans dekat Malaysia ni. As someone yang pernah went through this process, memang pening So let's break them down one by one. First up, conventional home loans. These are the standard ones lah from bank. So interest is calculated based on your remaining loan balance. As you repay more, the interest akan go down. Some banks dorang offer fixed or semi-fixed rates juga, which is nice kalau you nak stability. Next, Islamic home financing. Yang ni dia follow syariah principles based on concepts like murabahah, which is cost plus profit, or musyarakah mutanakisah, a kind of diminishing partnership between you and the bank. Then, there's flexi home loan. This one links your loan dengan you punya current account. Kalau korang ada extra duit, macam dapat yearly bonus, then you can park it there. And it will lower your interest. Plus, korang boleh withdraw anytime in case you perlukan duit for emergency. And if you're a civil servant, check out government housing loans under agencies like LTPSA. These usually come with better rates and more flexible terms. Now you know already kan the types of home loans. So let's talk about whether you are financially ready. Sebelum bank nak approve korang punya loan application, bank akan tengok first your debt service ratio or DSR. Ini paling penting tau. Nak tahu cara nak kira? Korang boleh je discuss dengan banker korang. Okay, so DSR ni basically how much your income is already going towards debt. Banks calculate it based on your net income after EPF, SOCSO and tax. Most banks allow a DSR of around 60%, but some may go higher depending on your income. However, if your DSR is high, bank mungkin tak bagi pinjam banyak lah. Here's a tip. Just because you qualify for a higher amount doesn't mean you should take it out. Always leave room for living expenses and emergency. Next up, your credit report. Banks akan tengok CRIS report to check you punya financial track record. Banks akan check you punya current loan or credit card balances, your repayment histories, any missed payments, and whether you ada any legal issues or bankruptcy. The cleaner your report, the better your chance, and mungkin dapat better rates too. Also, you can get your CRIS report free from Bank Negara. And now, kita move on to what you'll need to pay upfront. So, let's say korang dah ada rumah yang korang nak beli and you know the price. But beside that, here's what you need to prepare. Your down payment. Usually, you akan bayar 10% of the property price. While lower upfront payment are sometimes possible, but usually lead to higher monthly repayments. Other costs can add up to around 5 to 8% of the property price. So this includes like stamp duties, legal fees, a valuation report, mortgage insurance like MRTA or MLTA, and the MOT, Memorandum of Transfer, which is a stamp duty for changing ownership. Kalau you are a first-time home buyer and a property to under 500,000, you could get a full stamp duty exemption until 31st December 2025. Sekarang, kita cerita pula your monthly loan payments. Each monthly repayment ada few parts. The principal, which reduces your loan balance. The interest, which is the cost of borrowing. Insurance, like MRTA or MLTA for protection. And taxes, things like quit rent and assessment fees. In the early years, most of your payment goes to interest. Later on, it goes towards the principal. Now, if you are a first-time home buyer, you got some extra help! The My First Home Scheme or SRP offers up to 100% financing. Korang tak payah risau nak cari duit for down payment. Tapi, this is only for new residential properties. And don't forget about state housing schemes like Rumah Selangorku or Rumah WIP. Each one has its own rules, so check with your state for the latest info.
New home buyer selalu tanya soalan ni. Proses nak apply home loan ni berapa lama?
Based on my experience masa I awal-awal beli rumah tu, I ambil masa dalam 6 months jugalah. But It usually range around 3 to 6 months. So here how it breaks down. Step 1, pre-approval. The bank akan check you punya financials. Step 2, formal application. You akan submit all your documents that needed by the bank. Step 3, approval and letter of offer. Ni masa loan you dah lulus lah. So step 4, you accept the offer and sign. Step 5, legal paperwork. Your lawyer akan tolong you lah sign the SPA and loan agreement. So step 6, the bank will disburse the loan to the seller. It might move faster or slower. So depending on whether the property dah siap lah or masih under construction. So yes, getting your first home loan might feel overwhelming. But yeah, I got through. Sebab I pun dah went through it. Memang pening. But once you know the steps, it's totally manageable. Do your research, know your numbers and plan ahead. If these help you out, please give it a like, share it with someone who's house hunting, and don't forget to save it for later.